Hi everyone, I'm Tara from A Vegan Visit. Today's video is going to be a what I pack in my carry-on rucksack. Going to include some packing tips, travel hacks, that kind of thing. So I hope you enjoy it and let's get into the video. First things first, we're going to start with a list. I am a list kind of a girl, like lists, like spreadsheets, like things to be organised. So yeah, gotta start with a list. I'll actually put a PDF version of this in the description box below because I think it might be quite useful to other people. So let's get going.
Hello everyone, we're going to do a quick voiceover for this video. I'm currently sat on the floor of Panama Airport on a long layover, so I am going slightly mad, but I'll try and make this as coherent as possible. The first thing that I pack in my carry-on is of course my passport and my travel documents. The second thing is my phone preloaded with entertainment such as audio books and music. The third thing I pack is my laptop or an iPad because I like to do work on the plane, but you might like to just sort of watch videos, that sort of thing. Number 4 is my headphones. I changed this pair for a much smaller pair in the end. I use those instead. Number 5 is chargers for all of my various technology. Number 6 is an extension lead with a multi-socket on it for charging the various devices. Number 7 is valuables, so I like to keep my camera with any spare memory cards and my external hard drive in my carry-on just for safety reasons. Number 8 is obviously my wallet and any house or car keys. Number 9 is a notepad and pen. I like to listen to audiobooks and take notes, so that's what I like to do for fun. Number 10 is snacks or a meal depending on the length of the flight. Number 11 is my reusable water bottle. Number 12 is a sleep pack, so I pack an eye mask, some earplugs and a herbal sleep aid, especially useful when it's a long haul flight. Number 13 is a travel pillow. I have a very interesting shaped travel pillow that the jury's still out on. It is quite comfortable, not sure if it's the best one I can find, but it does the job for now. Number 14 is a toiletries bag. I pack any makeup that I want to take with me in this bag, along with a toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, face wipes, tissues, hand sanitizing gel, that kind of thing. I actually use a see-through bag, so I can just put it straight through security. But I put the see-through bag in this nice padded bag so nothing gets damaged. Number 15 is a clean pair of socks and pants. I like to take slipper socks with me. I also do pack a pair of travel socks if I'm going on a long haul. Number 16 is any specific medications that you might need for the flight, so any painkillers or that kind of thing. The next thing I wanted to mention actually was when you go to pick a rucksack to take on holiday with you, go for something practical because I did not. I've gone for this bag here, which is very pretty, but is completely impractical and takes me about 6 years to get into. I do pack quite a lot. This was a very long haul flight. I had about 3 flights. It was like 30 hours, something like that. So I have packed a lot, but I need it to keep me entertained because I have a very short attention span.
So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.